those live edge slabs I've got. Let's see what we can make out of this. It's American Black Walnut, if you didn't know that already. And I went along to hand pick the timber because I knew roughly what I was going to make. I knew the thickness and the widths and so on. But anyway, I've finished that project now, and take a look, see if you like. So there's my hot iron, gets up to maybe 300 degrees. These bigger boards, they measure 18 inches in length. They're around about 1.5 inches thick, and they've got a juice groove and finger grip at both ends. They are reversible. Timber to make them 18 inches long, but there's a couple there which are 15 or 17. These smaller boards, again, they've got a juice groove on there. They've got a chamfered edge, fully reversible. You can use both sides to cut. They're nearly 1 inch thick, as are the charcuteries, and they're chamfered edge with a hole drilled through, and countersunk on both sides. And these are sanded, they're completely flat, and they're sanded down to 1200 grade, finished in mineral oil, and then given a mineral oil and wax finish just to protect the shine and to keep the mineral oil from drying up too quick.